Hi, I'm Frank Calhoun. I'm a repair technician here at West Music. I repair mainly saxophone, bassoon, and all the instruments in the brass family. Today I'm going to show you all the items that come in your French horn care kit. The list of items that will come with your care kit is some rotor oil, some tuning slide grease, a snake, a mouthpiece brush, a cleaning cloth, a pencil, and then a practice chart. The first item, the rotor oil, we will use on the rotors about once a week at minimum to every day that you play to keep things lubricated and to keep things moving well. To do that, we unscrew the bearing cap. We apply rotor oil to the center of the circle of the bearing where that moves. We'll have to work that in by moving the rotor. And on the opposite side, where what's called the stop arm moves around the casing, we add a couple drops of oil there and work that in. And then we replace the cap. For the tuning slide grease, what I would recommend is wiping off old grease and applying new grease to keep your slides lubricated. On a single French horn, there's generally 4 slides to worry about. On a double French horn, there will be 5 or more slides. To take care of those slides, pull the slides all the way out, and using a paper towel, wipe off all the old grease. Take some of the new grease in your finger and apply that to each of the slides. And then insert those back into the French horn. Pull it out, push it in so that it distributes evenly across the slide. Another item that comes with your care kit, the snake, is to clean out the insides of the slides. To do that, you will pull the slide out, similar to how you are going to apply tuning slide grease. Wipe off all the old grease, and then you can run the snake through the slides under some warm soapy water to clean up the buildup that gets inside the slides. Do not try to run the slide all the way through. It will not make all the curves, but you will get a lot of that inside cleaned out from that. And then you can apply fresh tuning slide grease as you normally would. Another item that comes with your cleaning kit is a mouthpiece brush to clean the mouthpiece, which I would do frequently, about once a week. If not more. And you can just run the mouthpiece under some warm soapy water and insert the brush in there to clean out that mouthpiece to keep it clean. Another item that comes with your care kit is a cleaning cloth to wipe off all your fingerprints when you're done playing your instrument, to keep it looking nice for hopefully many years to come. And the final thing, the most important thing for many band directors, is the pencil. That way you can take notes on your music that you need or to mark your practice pad. Thanks for watching.